Greetings, Nimrods. Today we're going to be making some spreader loads using the Polywad SpedR inserts. They come with some instructions, read them. They give you guidelines on how to adapt a recipe of your choosing to them. Basically, in a nutshell, what you do is what I did is find a shot bushing or adapt a shot bushing, and you can do that by taking a piece of plastic, cut off a hull, and inserting it into the shot bushing that allows it to just keep making it smaller until you get to the charge weight you'd like. What I did was I had a shot bushing that worked pretty well without having to adapt it. It allowed me to have a shot charge slightly less than 7/8, and it actually equaled 7/8 of an ounce when weighed with the Polywad insert in the scale with the shot. So the whole package is 7/8 of an ounce, just like the recipe calls for, and it fits fine. So just basically load a shell the way you normally would, and after you drop the shot charge, you insert the Polywad into the shot charge with the little leg facing down, and then it basically acts as a overshot card, helping with the crimp. So here we go. Make sure we face that leg down, push it into the shot, and then just crimp your hull. Start a crimp, finishing the crimp, and there you go. That's all there is to it. So we'll shoot a load. This is the exact same load without the Polywad. We'll shoot first, and you can see what we got there. Now we're going to shoot the Polywad load. There, we did that, and there you go. So it does open it up, and here we go. We'll show it without, with. So hope you found this useful. Please subscribe and like and share. Happy hunting, Nimrods.